Hello and welcome. I will be co-hosting this session. Just waiting if the presenter, I hope I'm not mispronouncing his name, Sedat Yalçin, is arriving.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Good evening.
Uh, Welcome. And today, I am and my students present these projects. And let me introduce my students: Selen, Emre, Mehmet, and Belis. Please, Selen,
Hello.
share and
Yes, today I'm going to be the main presenter, so I will be helping you. I think now you're able to see this screen. Is there any problem?
We are not able to see it yet.
It's coming up black. It says that you started sharing your screen. It says double click to enter full screen mode, but it's not showing anything.
Oh,
There it goes. That's good.
okay.
Okay, no, okay, perfect.
Feel free to start
I'm just
whenever you
gonna,
want.
yes, let me just take the present mode and then I will be. Um, yes.
I see one lovely cat.
Yes, yes. I think we are ready. So welcome to you all. Today I'm going to talk about the Neuronix project that we have been working in IdeaLab FabLab with our mentor Sedat Yalçin. First of all, I would like to start with um, our team a little bit. As I mentioned, Mr. Yalçın is our mentor, and Mehmet Bener, I am Seren Koro, Emre Dayangaç, and Beliz Kasacı are my teammates. We worked as a group on this amazing project for a while, actually, and it is based on neurons, as you can um, thing. So here we got our purpose. Actually this idea just came up from Belius actually. When she was like struggling all of this neuronics and this kind of complex structures, she just realized like we can create a great kit and then like we can help every student, like every friend of ours, and then who are really interested in these kind of structures, they can really use this and can improve themselves more easily. Our main goal is basically to help them to understand these complex structures. For that, actually, we have been working on designs and little technical small details, and we try to consider everything to make students collaborate and make them feel comfortable while enjoying the activity and the kit overall. Yes.
A signal is received by the dendrites, activating the cell body. It then travels smoothly down the axon as an electron.
This small animation actually to help everyone to understand the complex structure of the neurons. Actually, there is a signaling and there is a great flow between each part. I can show it like at the beginning.
Activating the cell.
Like as you can see, there are some parts like axon, soma, and at the end. There is also dendrite. Oh, I think I just skipped it. Sorry. So this understanding a little bit more easier for everyone. So actually it illustrates
The signal is received by the dendrites, activating the cell body.
So sorry.
It then travels smoothly down the axon as an
Okay, I'm sorry for the technical issue. But overall, there are like three different parts of the neuron, and it has a great connection between all of them, and then they're like sealing each other, and this action actually continues to propagate along the axon part of the part of a neuron. So here. Before like starting to have this great idea to have this great kit, we hand draw the design, and then we cut some cardboards to to create architecture, and then we did get some laser cuts on it. So while doing this, like we try to, as I mentioned, like consider every kind of small details, and especially in the architecture we try to focus on the sizes and sizements and measurements. We really wanted to make accurate sizes, and wanted to like make each labeling carefully to make them as a puzzle to like have basic but like understandable pieces. So while like getting some laser cuts, we actually struggled with them a lot, but at the end actually we succeeded. And right now actually I'm going to show you the overall the background and then the processes step by step. So here we actually got a great idea too. After the laser cuts, we realized that this is like not really colorful or enjoyable at all. So we wanted to also add some details too, so that we had this great and creative idea, which is creating some great stickers on it. And then for 1 week we just focused on it, and then tried to make the accurate and the most um beautiful stickers that you can ever see. So as you can see, like there are some small details all over the stickers, each part, like especially in dendrite and axon terminals, there are some transitions I'm going to which I'm going to mention it later on. But like we wanted to add those small details to tell students and make them their understanding a lot easier too. So we cut into pieces and try to print out the accurate stickers, and then we put it on the kits so that it's looked like it made the kit look like a lot beautiful and enjoyable. So I got some photos while printing and designing these stickers. So you can see like the prototype, the 3D design that we have made, and the neural complex and the pieces that we have completed before the sticker and then after the sticker. It literally make a huge difference. And then as I mentioned, we achieved to combine two neurons together. We actually got a great idea in this step, because after this, we realized that like why we can combining these neurons, why don't we do it in a classroom? So we decided to actually make like 4 groups and give each of them a one great neuron kit. So at the end of the actually lesson, they all can combine and be able to see that flow through neurons. So I think it also creates a great collaboration and great working like um, great working together opportunities created. And actually, we went to classrooms and we also collected some data. We especially went to biology classrooms because everyone was really interested in, and then they all loved it. Actually, they really enjoyed the kit. And then we made this great booklets also because and in school we all have different kind of learning styles, and after actually um, know this, we try to focus on also about like kinetic learners to tactile learners. So our main like goal was to reach all more students as we can do it actually in general. So here after the sticker part, we focus more on educational part of it. Like now we were like so sure about them that they were going to feel really comfortable within groups, and then they can share all their own ideas within the group, and they can work collaboratively within their group. And but we were not sure about how much they are going to learn it about overall the general the complex structure. So actually we focused on that a little bit with this booklet. So actually I want, before skipping the other slides, I want to show the booklet to you because I think it is really beneficial for the students who really are interested in this. So here is our, I think this is the last page, yes. So in the booklet we focus on like building, testing, and playing. So while like when we went to classes, like we were like talk about the general concepts and what is Neuronix basically, but we want them to understand the meaning of the concepts too and have some fun. So here actually we created some great fun activities, and then some guidance that how are going to they are going to like combine these three parts of the Neuronix, and then a QR for the small test, and then the feedback for the feedback part. So with actually going these classes, we were be able to collect some data and then observe students too. So I think there is a that was a great opportunity for us. So in the booklet,
Sorry to interrupt. I think we're short on time, so can we move on to the other slides?
Of course, I'm
Because
just
we
going.
have like 2 minutes left. Yeah.
Okay. So there are some core meanings, concepts, and these are the fun activities overall. Like cutting, asking, and learning, we try to make it efficient. And this is the form if anyone wanted to fill it or just look at the questions, you can just take photo of the QR. I can wait for a second. Okay, I'm moving on. If you want to look for the QR for another time, I can send it in the chat too. And here actually, let's skip. I can show it like this way because I think there is still some technical problems. And here actually we received great results. The average score was pretty high, and then the everything was overall the understanding was really good. We just observed that like they struggle a little bit like with the signal flow, so that we focus on that a little bit. And then in a neuron it is based on myelin sheets, and then we just realized that maybe we couldn't explain myelins a lot, so that we actually focused on it and created a different design.
Yeah. So basically, in myelin sheets, we use 3D manufacturing processes to produce them. And myelin sheets are basically attachments that can be found on neurons that make the neuron signal transmission process faster and more efficient. So we 3D printed these parts to further teach the kids how the myelin sheets and the speeding up of this neural transmission works. Yeah, so that's myelin sheets. We can move on. For the system integration, we realized that from our classroom tests that like the reader, the students can like, okay, they combine the kit and learn, but maybe it would be better if we had some sort of LED and like electronic system that simulates the neuron transmission. So we're basically thinking of a system with a microcontroller and 4 LEDs that are on the axon terminal. And basically, as the students combine the neurons together, the LEDs light up and basically simulate a neural propagation through the separate neuron modules, as you can see here in the drawing and the explanation. Yeah, and for the further applications, besides these LED and electronic integration, this student and teacher feedback gave us a feedback about like there could be an AI-powered companion in this application that actively communicates with the learners and helps the learner basically to learn this concept of neural propagation better with instant feedback and personalized guidance.
For the conclusion part, yep. I am so sorry. I think the technical issues. Yes, okay, great. For the conclusion part, I just wanted to open a little bit more about the parts that we add some details. So it was like actually based on some biological key concepts. So the first one that we have we have labeled with white small linear lines, which are called nodes of rewear. Actually, it says an actual it's based on like signal transmission between the myelin sheets. So actually they're really important for overall this neuron concept. And then for the axon terminal, and then for the dendrites parts of the dendrites, we illustrated the neurotransmitter vehicles and ion pumps, which you can see in this picture too. With in the axon terminal, there are some vehicles, and with these neurotransmitters, in dendrite, the receptors and then enzymes are working. So with these small actually details, the signal transmission generally occurs, and everything accordingly work through these processes. So thank you so much for listening, and this is the last slide. Yes. And if you have any further questions or anything, like now we can answer them all.
So thank you for your presentation. It was an amazing project. I have a strange question. I hope you won't be offended. You are an high school teacher, students or university students?
We're high school students working here in the Hisar FabLab. Yeah, we're high school students under our mentor.
That makes your project even more interesting. And again, congratulations, because it's very, how can I say this? It's very translating in my mind. It's a very interesting project in which you can bring the hard science, the hard neuroscience to children. Another question. What was the scope of your intervention with students, younger students, primary, lower?
So we tested it with like K9, K10, so high school students. But from our test, maybe we realized that it could be better suitable for the middle school students because the high school students learn more advanced concepts that are on more like micro scale levels that we maybe cannot teach with the kit. So I think it's shifted a bit more to the middle school students.
That's great. Congratulations again to the students and the teacher also. If I'm looking at the chat, I see no questions.
I have
So
I have a quick
please
question.
go ahead.
So this is beautiful. This was so impressive. And what happens when you graduate? Where does this project go?
So basically in our lab, like we mentor younger students that come in the high school, and sometimes like we like our other projects, we teach them and teach them the younger students, and when we graduate they continue on with the project and they continue teaching and creating things like this.
So it stays in the lab. It's not
Yeah.
specific to the students, even though they made these. It
Stays
is
in-
so beautiful and impressive, and your presentation was excellent. I know it felt a little glitchy, but it really came across very impressively. Thank you.
I just wanted to ask that after graduating, a lot of our like friends are still like coming to school and helping us and mentoring us. So it's not ending like after graduating. So it belongs to school, and we all try to improve it as well to make it better. So that's it.
I'm also going to relay a small question that showed up in the commentaries. Do you all enjoy the roll and cutter and printer? I hope this is for this chat.
Yes, actually, we did.
That's great. Well, if there are no further questions, and again, awesome work, awesome project. I'm going to close this session and give you a couple of minutes to breathe because it was heartwarming. Thank you all. I'm going to stop
Thank you very
recording
much.
right now.
Thank you.